Solana price today is $104.57, with a 24-hour trading volume of $3.8 billion. Solana is down 0.4% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is 8, with a live market cap of $33,524,277,901 US. It has a circulating supply of 320 million SOL coins. According to our current Solana price prediction, the value of Solana will drop by -11.40% and reach $92.85 by March 7, 2022. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is neutral, while the fear and greed index is showing neutral. Solana recorded 47% green days, with 10.04% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Solana forecast, it's now a good time to buy Solana. Based on today's classical pivot point P1, with the value of $98.47, Solana has support levels of $95.51, $92.31, and the strongest at $89.35. Similarly, Solana resistance levels are at $101.68, $104.64, and $107.84. To get a better idea of what could happen to the Solana price in the future, it's helpful to also explore Solana's price history. In the last month, the SOL USD pair is up 12.34%. The one-year performance of SOL USD is 627.62%. Solana price has executed an impressive bounce over the last week after finding its feet at a crucial support area. This upside move has passed the halfway point of its journey, confirming a healthy uptrend. Solana price bounced off the $65.91 to $82 demand zone on February 23 and rallied 28%. This move set a swing high at $105.26 after slicing through the $93.29 and $101.94 resistance barriers, indicating a strong gust of buying pressure. While impressive, there is a good chance SOL will pull back, allowing bulls to recuperate their strength for the next leg up. Suitable candidates for the endpoint of this retracement include the $101.94 and $93.29 barriers. A bounce off either of these levels will provide a perfect play for interested investors looking to go long. The next stop for Solana price for its second leg includes the $110.03 resistance barrier clearing, with an increase in its trading volume and market cap. The Solana's price has shown a good increase of 7.21% in the last 24 hours. From last 7 days the SOL was in good upward trend and increased by 16.31%. Solana has shown very strong potential lately, and this could be a good opportunity to dig right in and invest. Within the last 1 month, the price of SOL decreased by -31.075%, eliminating a whopping average sum of $47.22 from its current value. This sudden down means that the coin is in dip right now, meaning that it can be a good buy opportunity for quick investment. The 90 days price change is around -52.16%, and the price circulated from a minimum average price of $209.95 to maximum average price of $222.24 in the past 90 days. Solana is down by -43.24%, with the maximum average price of the coin was around $162.92, and the minimum average price was around $154.97 in past 4 months. Alternatively, if Solana price shatters through the immediate barriers at $101.94 and $93.29, it will denote a weakening bullish momentum. In such a situation, SOL could revisit the $65.91 to $82 demand zone, where buyers could give the uptrend another go. However, if the selling pressure spike knocks SOL so low it produces a daily candlestick close below $65.91, it will create a lower low and invalidate the bullish thesis. In this case, Solana price might crawl down another level, potentially finding support around $51.98. Solana is one of the up-and-coming cryptocurrencies, but it is worth noting that money is going to flow from the bigger crypto markets to the smaller ones such as this one. The candlestick is a bullish formation, as it forms a little bit of a hammer, just as we had seen from a couple of days ago. With that in mind, it is probably worth noting that the markets will continue to be very volatile, but perhaps we are getting close to a bottom in this pair. At the $120 region, we have a significant amount of previous resistance, and any rally at this point in time will be forced to pay close attention to that. Overcoming that level would of course be very bullish, especially as we have the death cross forming right in that same region. It is a bit early to call this a market that is ready to go straight up in the air, but if we were to break above all of that, it will have completed a W pattern, which is a very bullish sign. In that scenario, the market will more than likely go looking towards the $155 level. Keep in mind that Solana has a lot of ties to Ethereum, so we will certainly need to see Ethereum take off as well. One of the things that cryptocurrency traders have not taken into account most of the time is that Bitcoin has a 90% negative correlation to the VIX, meaning that as the VIX rises, crypto falls. In other words, it is yet another tool in your toolbox to pay close attention to. In other words, when there is a lot of risk-off sentiment, money simply does not go looking towards areas like Solana or other smaller coins. Bitcoin gets dumped as well, so there is almost no way that Solana will rally unless there is some specific news coming out about the Solana ecosystem. I do think that we are due for a bounce though, so because of this, it is likely that we will see a short-term attempt to gain at this point.